Let's make vanilla pudding. Add a half cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt to a bowl and mix. Add 2 cups of milk to a pot. Set the burner to medium heat. Stir until you see bubbles on the edges. Slowly stir in the dry ingredients. Keep heating and stirring until it gets thick and coats the back of a spoon. Remove it from the heat and add 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 to 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and stir those in. Let it cool a few minutes, then eat it warm or pour into serving bowls and cover with plastic wrap. Chill at least an hour, then remove the plastic wrap and serve. Enjoy. Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.